In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Hubspot settings to better manage your marketing email configurations. Let's dive right in and guide you step by step through this user-friendly process. To start off, you'll want to visit the User Guide section on Hubspot. This is a great resource to familiarize yourself with the various tools and features available to you. Navigating to the User Guide can be the first stepping stone in understanding how HubSpot works and how to make it work best for you. Once you're in the user guide, the next thing to do is to click on the highlight button. This feature is designed to draw your attention to key sections within the guide, ensuring you won't miss any important information. Clicking on these highlights can save time and help you focus on what's most relevant to your needs. After you've explored the highlights, it's time to go to the marketing section. By clicking on marketing, you'll be accessing a pivotal part of the HubSpot interface where you can manage all your marketing tools. This section is crucial for setting up campaigns, tracking data, and ultimately improving your outreach efficiency. So don't hesitate to explore the different tabs and resources available under Marketing. You might find some innovative features that can enhance your strategies. Next, you'll again need to click on Marketing. This repetitive step ensures you're delving deeper into more specific settings within the marketing realm. It's not uncommon to have multiple layers of options, each designed to refine your approach. This level of detail is what makes HubSpot such a powerful tool for marketing professionals. Take your time to read through any pop-up tips or additional guides that might appear as you navigate. Following your exploration within the marketing section, turn your attention to the Email tab. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to reach your audience, and HubSpot offers a robust suite of tools to manage it. By clicking on Email, you'll gain access to tools for crafting, sending, and analyzing marketing emails. Be sure to look at how these settings can be optimized to better reach your audience and convey your message. Once you've familiarized yourself with the email settings, find the Subscriptions option and click on it. Managing your subscriptions is integral to maintaining an engaged audience. HubSpot helps you manage these settings to ensure your emails are being sent to recipients who are genuinely interested in your content. Lastly, don't forget to click on the Don't Send to Unengaged Contacts setting. This option is a fantastic way to maintain a healthy, active sender reputation. By ensuring emails are only sent to engaged contacts, you can boost open rates and avoid the pitfalls of being marked as spam. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of adjusting key settings in HubSpot to support your marketing strategies. As always, spend some time exploring each section. The more familiar you become with these features, the better you can harness HubSpot's full potential.